Hello, my name is Gabriella. I'm the lead surgeon here at Streatham Hill Vet, and this lovely French Bulldog is a Snuffle. Snuffle is recently had surgery for her breathing problem due to Brachycephalic obstructive airway syndrome. Brachycephalic literally means a short skull, short nose, and this syndrome is due to the difficulty that breed like French Bulldog, English Bulldog, Pug, but also other Boston Terrier, Boxer can have with breeding. It affects their quality of life, their ability to exercise, to sleep, and it can become a major problem during the summer, during hot day, where they can actually collapse. This is because dogs cannot sweat through the skin like we do. The only way that they got to cool down during hot day is by panting. And unfortunately, short-nosed dog often cannot do this efficiently enough, and they can start overeating. And this can potentially kill a dog quite quickly. Also, because the way they look, their anatomical feature, they can have other problem, gastrointestinal problem with vomiting, regurgitation, skin problem due to duplication on their face and other part of the body, dental problem, and eye problem due to the fact that eye are protruding. They are predisposed to get corneal ulcer, and sadly, particularly Pug can have a chronic inflammation of their eye that is progressive, but there is a lot that we can do if we pick up at an early stage. Unfortunately, a big problem is that owners often do not recognize the sign of a disease. They think that snoring is cute, that the head position that they assume to try to sleep is cute, but unfortunately it's not. These are signs of obstruction. And if these signs are ignored, unfortunately the disease can progress and become much more serious and much more difficult to treat. For this reason, here at Streatham we offer a brachycephalic health assessment clinic. The appointment will take about 45 minutes, and during this period we will go through the history of the dog. We will do a specific questionnaire and a series of tests, including an exercise tolerance test. All this will allow us to obtain a functional grading that will tell us if the dog is affected by the syndrome, how serious it is, and we will discuss medical and surgical treatment if necessary.